Alright, so we got ourselves a 2003 Subaru Impreza WRX, the EJ205, same as the 02 to 05. And if we look down here, gotta take that off for the thermostat. We're gonna start by draining the coolant here. This has a Mitsubishi motor aluminum radiator. That bolt right there is gonna be our guy. Let's drain it. Alright, here's the drain plug bolts. Came out of right down there, slowly draining. If you open up these caps, one of these two caps, it's gonna let air in the system from the top, allowing it to drain a lot faster. End up being a 19 millimeter. I'm gonna do that off the camera so I can control it because it sometimes splashes everywhere. Alright, water pump right here. It's gonna focus. There you go. This is the bottom part of our water pump here. We have a bolt here for the thermostat, and a bolt up top for the thermostat. Well, this is the housing. Gotta unbolt this, pull it off, thermostat will be right in there. Alright, after frustrating moments, took the radiator out because this was not being nice in the process. I somehow tore that with my hands. After my radiator could not reach this bolt thermostat. So there's that last bolt up there. Take it off, and we're gonna test it by putting it in boiling water to make sure everything's good. Alright, so we tested both the thermostat, the new one here. This guy is still open. They both opened earlier. And then this guy closed way too early. So it looked like it had to be like super hot for it to even be open, and then once it cooled down a tiny bit, it shut. So we're gonna throw the new one in. We're gonna make sure we get a new seal and see what happens. Alright, about to install this new thermostat here. Murray, part number 4147. Make sure when you install it, this little whole thing is pointed upwards so the air bleeds out. And when you get your gasket on it, and shove her in there. Alright, also got some gas sealer. Make sure it goes like this, like so. Alright, when you're done, should look something like this. And a little RTV isn't gonna hurt it, but try not to do that to the thermostat. But yeah, make sure it's all sealed top and bottom. RTV sticking out. You don't need RTV. If anything, that one gasket in there will hold it, but I don't want to have to drain the coolant again just to figure out if it's leaking. So now we're gonna reverse everything, put the radiator back in, connect all of our hoses. And you can just bottom and top radiator hose, both the fans, and start it up. Here we go. Alright, so we're gonna start it up. Make sure to attach the radiator. Everything's attached. Start up, make sure it's not leaking anywhere. Top up power steering fluid because we had to open this line. Now we're gonna bubble this, burp all the coolant, make sure there's no leaks. No visible leaks, just piston slap like a good old Subaru. Alright, we let the car burp and everything is good. Radiator, the thermostat opened up. Coolant's flowing through now, so it's all good. There you go. Thermostat on a Bug-Eye WRX works for. And this same method could work for any Impreza with the EJ engine, but specifically a Bug-Eye.